Yeah, man, gang, you don't know Deva Bratt continues his onslaught of music, you know. You see me saying we there with another one. Yeah, man, the one named Pressure Them. I'm gonna check it out and see what I got deal with. Let's get it.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Yeah, man, gang, like me say, Deva Bratt back with another one named Pressure Them. I'm gonna check it out and see what I got deal with. Deva Bratt so versatile and creative, and the man so consistent. It's like crazy, man. I'm just interested to see where these songs are going and see what we get out of it. You see what I say? So next one I check out is Pressure Them by Deva Bratt. I check it out, see what I got deal with. When I will be very much stronger, gang. Let's get it.
Worse. Them want me see the earth, but I jam me put first. Me nah walk no voodoo fi me sang bird. Right now, man, boss well like kite. Me can't do talk, I might miss my flight. The chain me and wear my line.
I was saying, boss, well, like kite, go on now.
No eyesight. Me pull up in a Rolls Royce, them and say me hype. Man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. So call the ambulance and get a stretch again. When man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Drop top Bentley and Benz, man, I press again. Then man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Step out well clean and fresh again. Then pressure them, pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Me pressure them, me pressure them.
Pusher conflict is back, come on.
Right now, me hotter than a pressure cooker. Man, I no petty pusher. Put a foot in the kitchen and see who are the cooker. Them say them are the shooter, them are the ride up on the scooter. Talk them a talk, I must see Vegas and Ricky Trooper. Can't them in them soup, yeah. This a
Talk them attack, I must see Vegas and Ricky Trooper. A shots fired that? A gunshot that? Me don't know, see what I'm going.
no super soaker. Eat them food cheap like a box of food a sofa. Please don't make your blood splash and see up the suit, yeah. Them want feel it free in the past, but not the future. Man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them.
If you dog in your past, but I dog in your future, come in there, bro.
Me nah no more financial stress again. When man a pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Buy me girlfriend 2 new VVS again. Yeah. Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Step out well.
Pressure them, you know, no more financial stress again. Buying girls on new VVS. Never say you back up. I got you look thing, but you back up never. Alright.
Pressure again, then. Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Be a tune on the internet again. We are know me. Level up them and they on the higher heights. Now lose me focus, me hide the on the price. Bank account I grow like it get fertilized. CypressMuzik get a certified.
Facts, that man fear. Our bank account grow like he get fertilized. 2025 we now play straight
I'm in the rough producer just I realize. Stage show studio, you know we got the vibe. Bring it for the radio, bucket when you a drive. Internationally, worldwide. Bad man a pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Big fat chain but me neck again then. Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. When me fly out of the private jet again then. Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. VVS step on me just again then. Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them, pressure them, pressure.
They are making no saying back to living life, you know. A pressure time, you know. Alright. They are making no saying I bring it to like a pressure cooker.
Pressure them. Who God bless, no man curse. When bad mind people, I wish me the worst. Them want me see the earth, but I jam me put first. Me nah walk no voodoo for me sang birds. Right now, man, boss well like.
Nah, with no voodoo for me song, bro. These no man, all the artists them for the with the guzu. You see me and the gear over. Man, I throw shots at you, you know, man. Go on.
Me can't do talk, I might miss my flight. The chain me and wear my line, new eyesight. Me pull up in a Rolls Royce, them and say me hype. Man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. So call the ambulance and get a stretch again. When man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Drop top Bentley and Benz, man, I press again. Then man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Step out well clean and fresh again. Then pressure them, pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Me pressure them, me pressure them. Right now me hotter than a pressure cooker. Man I no petty pusher. Put a foot in the kitchen and
than a pressure cooker. We are no petty pusher. Eh? Put your foot in the kitchen and see how cook you.
see who are the cooker. Them say them are the shooter, them are the ride up on the scooter. Talk them a talk, I must see Vegas and Ricky Trooper. Can't them in them soup, yeah. This a no super soaker. Eat them food cheap like a box of food a sofa. Please don't make your blood splash and see up the suit, yeah. Them want feel it free in the past, but not the future. Man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Me nah no more financial stress again. When man I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Buy me girlfriend 2 new VVS again. Yeah? Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Step out well clean and fresh again then. Pressure them, pressure them, pressure them, pressure them. Be a tune on the internet again.
Be a tune on the internet again, for real, man. God ever send them out. Just feel like Deva just a warm up right now, you know. You see me just a get back in and groove, or get back in himself with the tune I'm release. We don't think we really get the bangers them yet, you know. You see me I say, yeah man. Man, Deva just try to get back in and groove and try to feel himself again.
In the future, boss well like guys. People just step on me just again. Oh God bless no man curse. Me pressure them up.
That is it, Deva.
All you gotta do is
you know anything about the one in the comment section if you like it. You see me definitely show the artist some love and support. You see me making us the dance and but yeah man, Deva back at it man. Dog a drop tune back a tune. But I see these series of songs he's dropping is just like he's trying to get back in his groove. You see me feeling himself. Cause I mean you know Deva not drop some tune you know. But we there feed man and see dog a deal with it. You see me and say cause we know where we get some bangers. As it's on heat, we don't know if I go at Cartel again, so we there finna check it out and see what I go. If I go at the Gaza or any artist or anything, so we there check it out and see what I go. Because dog is mad creative and talented, you see me? So that's what we never do with this time. You see what I have and the look you know I get. You see me as a gang, but you know anything in the comment section if you like to show that some of sport, you know, so the dancing, you know, all that good stuff. Let me know your favorite part was. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.